students! Today we're going to be looking at TEKS 3.5b, the meaning of blank times as many. Can you spot the imposter? Which of these doesn't belong? Pause the video while you think about your answer. Press play when you're ready to continue. Did you think the wreaths were the imposter because they're all separate and not in groups? Or maybe you saw them in just one group of 5. Maybe you thought the heptagons with the blue dots were the imposter because there are 5 groups of 7 dots, which gives you an odd product. Did you think the crayons were the imposter because they are in 2 equal groups? Perhaps you thought the green circles were the imposter because the groups aren't equal. Our content objective says, I will represent the meaning of blank times as many using models. Blank times as many is a way to show multiplication as a comparison, which means you are comparing equally sized groups. For example, if you have 6 green circle stickers and your friend has 2 times as many stickers as you are comparing your 1 group of 6 stickers to your friend's 2 groups of 6 stickers. 2 times as many as 6 is like saying 2 groups of 6, or 2 times 6. Your friend would have 12 stickers. Let's look at some more examples. Vincent ate 2 grapes. Grace ate 5 times as many grapes. How many grapes did Grace eat? Let's start by modeling the grapes that Vincent ate. To model Grace eating 5 times as many grapes as Vincent, we can do this. If Grace eats the same number of grapes as Vincent, we say that it is 1 times as many. If Grace eats 2 times as many grapes, our model looks like this. We have 2 groups of 2 grapes, which is 4 grapes. Let's keep going. If Grace eats 3 times as many grapes, we have 3 groups of 2 grapes, or 6 grapes. If Grace eats 4 times as many grapes, our model shows 4 groups of 2 grapes. We're almost there. To model 5 times as many grapes as Vincent, we need 5 groups of 2 grapes. To determine how many grapes Grace ate, we can skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or use the equation 5 times 2 equals 10. Grace ate 10 grapes, which is 5 times as many grapes as Vincent. Here's another example. Brian ran 4 laps around the track. Matthew ran 6 times as many. How many laps did Matthew run? First, we'll start with a model of the 4 laps that Brian ran, shown here. Now we can model Matthew's number of laps as a comparison of equally sized groups. If Matthew runs 1 times as many laps as Brian, our models show the same number of laps for both boys. When Matthew runs 2 times as many laps as Brian, notice how Matthew's model is double the length of Brian's model. 3 times as many laps shows 3 equally sized groups. 4 times as many shows 4 equally sized groups. 5 times as many looks like this. And finally, 6 times as many shows 6 equally sized groups. Each of Matthew's groups are the same size as Brian's group. To determine how many laps Matthew ran, we can skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. We can also use the equation 6 times 4 equals 24 since we have 6 groups of 4. Let's try another example. Gabriel wrote 8 spelling words for homework. Tommy wrote twice as many words. How many words did Tommy write? This time we'll start with Gabriel's amount on the bottom. We can model Tommy's amount at the top by showing 1 times as many. The models are the same length. Twice as many is another way of saying 2 times as many, which our model now shows. Let's skip count by 8 to determine how many words Tommy wrote. 8, 16. Our equation is 2 times 8 equals 16 because we have two equally sized groups of 8. Grab a sheet of paper for the next one. Maria scored 6 points at her basketball game. Katie scored 3 times as many points at her game. How many points did Katie score? We'll set up the problem together, and then you're going to model the problem on your paper. Let's put Maria's points at the bottom. We can just write 6 inside of a rectangle to show her points. Next, we'll put Katie's equally sized groups above Maria. Pause the video to complete this problem. Press play when you're ready to continue. Let's see how you did. 2 times as many is 2 times 6. 3 times as many is 3 times 6. We can skip count by 6. 6, 12, 18 to find the solution. 3 times 6 equals 18. So Katie scored 18 points. Here's one more problem for you to try. Amber is 7 years old. Her grandpa is 9 times as many years older. How old is Amber's grandpa? Here's Amber's amount. Here's grandpa's 1 times as many. Pause the video while you model this problem on your paper. Press play when you're ready to check your work. Since Grandpa is 9 times as many years older than Amber, we need 9 equally sized groups of 7 in our model. We can skip count by 7 to find the solution. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63. The equation to solve this problem is 9 times 7 equals 63. Nicely done. Let's review today's objective. Did we represent the meaning of blank times as many using models? We sure did. Thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.